Major recommendation: improvements in computational accesses for counting postprandial glucose flows and the improvement of closed-loop frameworks may present further tools to target for additional decrease in danger of macrosomia in later decades. Let me propose that we do inform what we want to perform in order to alter an attitude. That is, we can determine the opinions which would have to be strengthened or altered in order to support or change an offered behavior. In that significance, we really do not demand modern behavioral theories. Anyway, what we do demand is for communion to better grasp and to properly utilize current theory. Even more essential, we demand preferable theories of communication impacts. Particularly, we demand to grasp the factors affecting whether an offered piece of data will be rejected or accepted. Whoever finds this out will manufacture an actual contribution to develop the pregnant woman's health. Theory of reasoned action utilizes subjective norms and a person's attitudes to foresee his or her behavior and behavioral intent, like engaging in or performing a particular activity, and it is at present widely accepted and successfully implemented to surveys in different fields. Commonly speaking, my course renders as an extension for the current literature concerning pregnant women with gestational diabetes mellitus. In spite of the truth, the theory of reasoned action was widely utilized to debate the motive of different reasoned actions. My course might become a pioneer in utilizing theory of reasoned action to debate the behavioral pattern for pregnant women with gestational diabetes mellitus, exercise and discussing the pertinence of theory of reasoned action established on available data to accomplish ideal glycemic control and thus far promoting pregnant women's health.